Good morning, Philippines! Good morning all over the world! Ayan, let's do this! Mag-warm up exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Ayan, let's go! Mayroon tayong counting 3 counts, 10 good repetition. Ayan. Yan, gagawin natin tuwing umaga lang po siya para maganda sa katawan. Okay, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Good morning. Bye-bye.